Welcome to HelloSend. In this demo, I will show you how to automate meeting reminders inside Pipedrive using HelloSend, webhooks, and drip campaigns. With this setup, you can automatically send SMS and WhatsApp reminders to your contacts. First 24 hours before the meeting, and then 1 hour before the meeting. Log into HelloSend, click the menu icon in the HelloSend panel. From the menu, go to Messaging Automation Webhook. Click Create Webhook to start. Give your campaign a clear name so you can identify it later. Next, select your From number. This can be either your SMS-enabled number or WhatsApp number. Now, choose the Pipedrive module where your contacts are stored, such as person, deal, lead, or organization. Finally, select the phone field that defines which number the reminders should be sent to. Step 2. Build your campaign flow. Add your first step. Send a meeting reminder, 24 hours ahead. Choose a message template for this step. Add a second step. Send a reminder 1 hour before the event. At each step, you can enable the option to stop the sequence if the customer replies, preventing unnecessary or duplicate follow-ups. Once you are done, click Save. Your campaign will now appear in the automation table. Step 3. Set up automation in Pipedrive. Copy the webhook URL from HelloSend. In Pipedrive, click the 3 dots in the left menu. Go to Automations, Webhooks. Click on Webhook in the top right corner. Choose the automated webhook. Enter a webhook a clear name so you can identify it later. Paste the copied HelloSend webhook URL into the endpoint URL field and save. Now, go to Automations, click on Automation in the top right corner. Choose the date trigger and select Item to Activity. Then, select the date field as Activity Due Date. In the date field, select Before Date and set it to 1 day. And Apply Trigger. Next, in the Actions section, select Webhook and click Next. Choose the webhook we just created. Set the method to Post. In the key value pair, enter ID as the key and select the module's ID as the value, in this case, Activity Contact Person ID. Click Apply Action, then activate the automation. And that's it. Your Pipedrive workflow is now connected with HelloSend. Step 4. Track and monitor. Back in HelloSend, go to Messaging Automation Webhook. Here, you can review the automation you created, check message delivery status, customer responses, and see performance reports in real time. And that's it. With HelloSend, you can easily automate SMS and WhatsApp meeting reminders in Pipedrive. This saves you time, improves response rates, and keeps your sales pipeline moving smoothly. Thanks for using HelloSend.